Hey everybody, we're having a tornado now. I'm so scared. I'm so scared because it's serious. Like, oh shoot. So anyway, um, so about 20 minutes ago, the message came over the TV, and I thought it was going to be a normal thunderstorm message because in the summertime you have thunderstorms frequent. So I hate the noise. So I turned the volume all the way down to wait until it finished the message. So then it popped back after the message was done. It popped back to the regular TV, and as soon as it popped on the regular TV, the message popped up again, and I say, oh, maybe I should listen to this, so I turned the volume back up, and then all I heard was a tornado touched down somewhere. I don't know where, but it's in Maryland, and it's coming through this way. And I have windows. One window was held and sunroof in my bathroom, and two windows where I on the side I sleep on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 windows. So basically, my mom and Bob say, we will be fine, but if it gets serious like we thought, we got a basement to like hide in. But I'm like saying, oh my goodness. This was the second tornado I was in that was this serious. The first tornado I was in Frederick with my dad years ago and everything like that, and that was scary. So anyway, I'm trying like not to think about it because like I know the power going to probably go out and the TV will go out, and my sister is at work. Yeah, my sister at work, so I made sure my mom called my sister and make sure she taking care of herself because a lot of people won't watch out for you and everything like that. So my mom surprised me when she said my sister has a basement in her job. Like I never knew because I went to her job 1, 2 times before. One time I went in to her job and everything like that, but I didn't know that she had a basement. But anyway, yeah, so it's a whole different feeling when you like hear that a tornado touched down where you live, uh, like because we don't live in Texas or Oklahoma, so I thought that it mostly always only hit Texas and Oklahoma, not hell. But anyway, I'm just like what now is just thundering, like as y'all probably hearing it in this video. It's just thundering and outside. Yeah, outside. I'm looking at the sunroof outside. It's windy and everything like that. But what freaked me out was a screaming tornado touchdown somewhere in Maryland. I forgot what they said real in Maryland, but they say in tornado touchdown. So it's like, oh my goodness. So anyway, I think that it would be a good, probably not a good idea, but good moment to like go outside to make a TikTok, but anyway, but yeah, but I'm not like freaking out, but I will obviously freak out if the lights go out and it's not time and the TV goes out. Yeah, I will like definitely freak out at that point, but I'm not freaking out. I'm not looking at the news because the news freaks you out even more. So I'm just started watching a movie earlier today. So I'm probably going to finish watching that movie. On Netflix and everything like that. So I'm happy. So happy because it's a tornado a twister? I don't know. Like I saw that movie Twister, and I think it's like an 19 something movie or 2007 movie. I don't know, but I saw the movie Twister, and ever since then I keep getting like freaked out, scared. Because, like, I never was in a twister, and I don't want to be in a twister. So, yeah, so anyway, yeah, and tornado touchdown. So, anyway, like, comment, and subscribe.